Happy morning, students. Welcome to Blue Star 5 Secondary School online classes. So, in this class, we have discussed about Unit 8 sound. So, last class, we have discussed about reflection of sound, uses of multiple reflections of sound, that is, medical instrument, stethoscope, and echo reverberation. Last class, we have discussed. So, in this class, we have see about ultrasonic sound or ultrasound. Already, we know that the frequency above the 20,000 Hz, this sound is called ultrasonic sound or ultrasound. But the ultrasonic sound, the human beings can't hear it. But some of the animals are hear the ultrasonic sound. For example, dogs, deer, these animals are hear the ultrasonic sound. So human beings, we can't hear ultrasonic sound and infrasonic sound. So below the 20 Hz, this called as infrasonic sound, and above the 20,000 Hz, these are called ultrasonic sound. Okay. So this ultrasonic sound is used to examine the human parts or organs. So this ultrasonic sound inside the human body. So seeing the or bouncing the ultrasonic waves and reflect the ultrasonic waves to examine the organs. So these ultrasonic sounds are captured in or detected, analyzed or stored in a computer. Okay. So this process is called as echogram. So what is meant by echogram is an image obtained by the use of reflected ultrasonic waves. Okay. So it is also used in a medical diagnostic tool. So this ultrasonic sound is also used in the marine surveying also. For example, in another operation we have seen about the inner parts of the human body. So how to the inner parts are seen in the computer. So the ultrasonic sound are inside the human body. Okay. So this sound is reflected the human bodies and we can see the particular organs. Okay. So what are the uses of ultrasonic sound or ultrasound? So first, ultrasounds can be used in cleaning technology. Minute foreign particles can be removed from object placed in a liquid bath through which ultrasound is passed. Okay. So the ultrasonic sound is also used in the cleaning agent or cleaning technology. So all of you see that the force of water is cleaning the dirty places. Okay. So ultrasonic sound is included that water. So the minute particles are cleaned. So this is one of the uses of or applications of ultrasonic waves. Next, ultrasounds can also be used to detect cracks and flaws in metal blocks. Okay. So we have a metal. There is any cracks. We find out use the ultrasonic sound. So ultrasonic sound detect the cracks in a metal. So this is one of the uses of ultrasonic sound waves. Okay. Next one. Ultrasonic waves are made to reflect from various parts of the heart and form the image of the heart. This technique is called echocardiography. Okay. So already I told that medical field the ultrasonic sound waves are used. So these sound waves are reflected through their heart parts, various heart parts reflected. So the sound form a heart shape. So this technique is called as a echocardiography. So ஏற்கனவே நம்ம என்ன பார்த்தோம்? எக்கோகிராம். ஸோ ஹியூமன் பார்ட்ஸை என்னது காமனாக காட்டுறது அது வந்து எக்கோகிராம் சொன்னோம். ஸ்பெசிஃபிக்காக ஹார்ட் அதை இது பண்ணுறதுனால நம்ம எக்கோகார்டியோகிராஃபி. ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட் ultrasound may be employed to break small stones formed in the kidney into fine grains. These grains later get flushed out with urine. Okay, so கிட்னியில் இருக்கிற ஸ்டோன்ஸை பிரேக் பண்ணி அது அப்புறமா என்னது யூரின் வழியா வர்றதுக்கு இந்த அல்ட்ராசானிக் சவுண்ட் தான் யூஸ் ஆகுது. ஓகேவா, நம்ம நிறைய இது பார்த்துருப்போம். நீங்க யூடியூப் அதெல்லாம் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா என்னது அந்த ஸ்டோன்ஸ் வந்து எப்படி பிரேக் ஆகுது அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு காமிச்சிருப்பாங்க. ஓகேவா, ஸோ the instrument is included the ultrasonic waves. So these stones are break and these stones are flushed out with the urine. Okay, so these are the applications of ultrasonic waves. The another application is it is used to marine surveying. Okay, so next we see about how these ultrasonic sound waves are used in the marine field. Okay, sonar. Sonar is a instrument. It is used in the boats, ships. So sonar full form is sound navigation and ranging. Okay, this is the full form of the sonar. So these ultrasonic waves are used by the ships to navigate, communicate or detect objects under water. Okay, so these applications of ultrasonic waves is called as sonar. So let us learn in details about sonar. So sonar is a technique that uses sound waves to map or locate objects in the surrounding environment. First, the sonar instrument emits a cluster of sound waves in the direction of an object. While a few waves will bounce off it, the remaining waves will be reflected back in the direction of the emitter. So there are two instruments, that is transmitter and detector. First, the transmitter is produce a sound, so the waves will bounce off it and the remaining waves will be reflected back in the direction of the detector. Okay, so this transmitter and detector also is included in the sonar, and the sonar is installed bottom of the boats and ships. So this technique is not something extravagant that humans have developed in recent years. So the sonar, it has been used by animals such as bats, whales for millions of years. Okay, so let us consider the cluster of sound waves or emitter in the transmitter and the direction of an object. While a few waves bounce off it and the remaining waves will be reflected back in the direction of the detector. Okay. The speed of sound and the time that passed before the wave was retrieved, a receiver can calculate the object distance from the transmitter or emitter. Okay. So the time interval between transmission and reception of the ultrasound, that is 2D divided by T equal to B. T equal to time and T equal to distance. Okay. So அந்த sound waves வந்து என்னது டிரான்ஸ்மிட்டர் வந்து ப்ரொடியூஸ் ஆகுது. ப்ரொடியூஸ் ஆகிட்டு அது எங்க ஆப்ஜெக்ட் இருக்கோ அந்த ஆப்ஜெக்ட் மேல பட்டு மறுபடியும் என்னது ரிஃப்ளெக்ட் ஆகி டிடெக்டர் கிட்ட வருது. ஓகேவா? அந்த டைம் இன்டர்வல் தான் நம்ம டீன்னு எடுத்துக்கிறோம். அந்த டிரான்ஸ்மிஷன் அண்ட் ரிசப்ஷன் அதாவது டிடெக்டர் அதுக்கும் இருக்கிற கேப் தான் நம்ம டைம் இன்டர்வல் தான் டீன்னு எடுத்துக்கணும். ஸோ இந்த ஃபார்முலா யூஸ் பண்ணி தான் என்ன பண்றாங்க, ஆப்ஜெக்ட் எவ்வளவு தூரத்துல இருக்கு அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு ஐடென்டிஃபை பண்றாங்க. ஓகேவா? So while sonar can be implemented in the open air, it is known to be more effective in water. Okay, so the sonar is more effective in water. This is because sound waves tend to travel longer distances in water. So the sound waves is longer distances in the water. There are two types of sonar, that is active and passive. So the sea contains mountains, whales, fishes, etc. So ஒரு போட் போக்குள்ள அங்க ஏதாவது மவுண்டெயின் இருக்கா இல்ல ஏதாவது திமிங்களா அந்த மாதிரி வருதா அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு என்னது இந்த சவுண்ட் வேவ்ஸ் மூலமா இந்த மாதிரி இவ்வளவு தூரத்துல இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு மலை இருக்கு, பாறை இருக்கு, இந்த மாதிரி மீன்லாம் இருக்கு அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு எந்த ஃபார்முலா, இந்த ஃபார்முலா இந்த சோனார் இன்ஸ்ட்ருமெண்ட் மூலயமா தான் நம்ம அவங்க என்ன பண்றாங்க, ஷிப்ல இருக்கவங்க ஐடென்டிஃபை பண்றாங்க. ஸோ ஓகேவா? ஸோ திஸ் மெத்தட் இஸ் கால்ட் அஸ் எக்கோ ரேங்கிங். ஸோ ஆல்ரெடி சோனார் ஃபுல் ஃபார்ம் இஸ் சோனார் நேவிகேஷன் அண்ட் ரேங்கிங். ஸோ என்னது இது எக்கோ மூலயமா தானே, ஏன்னா ரிஃப்ளெக்ட் ஆகி தானே சவுண்ட் வருது. ஸோ இதுக்கு பேர் வந்து என்ன, இந்த மெத்தட் பேரு எக்கோ ரேங்கிங். ஓகே. So small problem is based on the sonar. A ship sends out ultrasounds that returns from the seabed and is detected after 3.42 seconds. If the speed of the ultrasound through seawater is 1531 meter per second, what is the distance of the seabed from the ship? Okay, so we find out the distance. So distance equal to speed into time. Okay, so 2D equal to speed of ultrasound into time. So speed of ultrasound 1532 into time 3.42 seconds. So D equal to 1531 into 3.42 equal to 5236 divided by 2. So left side 2 gone to right side. Okay, so the distance is 2618. So the distance of the seabed between ship, the distance is 2618 meter or 2.618 kilometer. Okay, meter and kilometer. So this is the how to find out the distance between the ship and seabed. Okay, next one is electrocardiogram. That is ECG. Short form is ECG. ECG full form is electrocardiogram. Cardia means that heart parts. So this instrument is used to examine the heart parts. Okay. So electrocardiogram is the method used to detect the transmission of the impulse through the heart. So This technique is help us to detect any heart-related disorder. Okay. So the electrocardiogram refers to a graph that records the electrical activity of the myocardium during a cardiac cycle. So the ECG, the sound waves are produced by a heart. Okay. So this sound waves is converted into a electric signals we see about the lines, curves. Okay.